So we have a game
That's
called
called
Egg
Egg
On. And we're going to show you guys how we play this game and how fun it is. We heard so many good things about it. So me and Lexi, the cool girl, is going to open this up.
Selections. So
Oh, wow. Let's get it out.
eggs.
Oh.
Why are these eggs even here?
And we have the spinner. This is so cool. And this is Lexi's favorite color. It's so pretty.
And we eggs.
Oh, God.
I wish they would real, but they're not.
Okay. Let's see.
Okay.
There we go.
Egg.
Okay. No, booby.
Eh.
Ah. Okay. Okay, so we can't show you guys everything just yet. So we're gonna open this up.
Yes, I pulled it out.
This is,
The instructions.
these are the instructions. But we already read the instructions on the back. So, but this just give you more detail if you wanna really like know more.
Yeah.
So basically the instructions is also on the back of the box.
It is.
And this is a spinner. So do you want to go first, Lexi?
Actually, there's no water in there, so you have to put water.
Okay. What did you get?
I got egg.
Let's see. Let's see. Hold on, let me see. Egg another. Okay, so basically with egg another, it means that Lexi has to pick an egg and egg me. So
I'm gonna pick this one. Maybe you have to put water in them.
no, it doesn't say we put water in them. You spin the spinner, you pick an egg,
But
and press it on your head.
Splash.
And if you get splashed by an egg, you're out. Oh. Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, watch out for running eggs.
Yes.
So was something in here? No? So I guess we gotta fill some of them up.
Yeah.
Right?
We do.
Okay, you were right.
I watched it.
So we'll be right back. I'm gonna go fill these up with water and then I'm gonna come right back.
So we're back and we have the eggs filled up, and then we're gonna smash them on our heads.
Okay, so it's your go again. Let's spin again.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna hold it and you spin.
Okay.
Okay. All right, so.
Egg another.
Oh man, you gotta pick one and egg me.
Okay.
Okay. Oh man. Can you do it on my hand?
Oh!
Oh! Oh! Oh! Got it on my hand.
Okay, this is the worst thing ever.
Okay. So now it's my go.
Okay, so your go. And the table is wet.
I know. Okay. So we're gonna hold it down. And we're gonna spin. Let's see what I got, you guys. So I'm in the middle. It's in the middle of pass and egg. So I'm gonna spin one more time because it really didn't give me a fair one.
It really did. That.
Oh. Let's see.
Table is.
So it looks like I'm gonna have to egg myself.
You have to put it on your head.
It was dry. So basically, let's see. If you splash by egg, you're out. If you get, I was out. Lexi won the game actually.
Yes.
Because I got splashed the first time, so you won that round.
Yes.
Okay. Would you like to play again?
Yes.
Okay, it's your go. So you can spin. Go ahead. Pass. So it skipped you, and now it's my, well, yeah, now it's my go. Because it passed. Egg another one.
I'm so stupid. It's dry.
So she's not out because she didn't get splashed. Okay, it's your turn, Lexi.
Okay.
Go ahead, I'll hold it for you. You gotta get egg. Let's see, you get 2 eggs. You gotta egg yourself with 2 eggs. No, you can't cheat. You can't cheat. Pick 2 eggs. Get another one. Okay. Go ahead and egg yourself again. Go ahead. Oh, you're out. I won that one.
I'm so definitely wet. I'm definitely.
And that is I review on the game Egged On. It was awesome. And we will be back with another one. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell at the top so you can see when we come on. Thank you. Love you. Mwah.